What is conversational AI? Conversational artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to technologies like chatbots or voice assistants which users can communicate with. They use large volumes of data, machine learning, and natural language processing to help imitate human interactions, recognizing speech and text inputs to perform various tasks and solve a broad range of problems. To demystify this topic and discuss specific advantages of deploying chatbots in the insurance and financial services industry, I have with me today Antoine Paillusseau, CEO FinChatBot. Welcome, Antoine, to this episode of our series on the future of SaaS.
Thank you so much for having me.
Well, friends, FinChatBot is a South African startup with over 20 insurance and financial services companies using their conversational AI platform. FinChatBot was rated among the top 10 startups by BizCommunity in 2019, and now they are rapidly expanding across various global markets. So, Antoine, tell me, there are several chatbot platforms available today in the market. So what's so special about FinChatBot?
Absolutely. So the big important part is we combine a platform as well as a team of experts. And those experts know exactly how to sell a financial product, how to service a financial product, or how to retain a customer in the financial world using our platform and conversational AI. So it's a combination between a platform and experts that we put together to help our clients, big financial institutions, to create their center of expertise. That's what we do.
Right. Thanks, Antoine. So, Antoine, I was going over your website and I see that you have done a lot of work in the insurance space. So,
Correct.
can you give us an example of a specific instance of how an insurance company has benefited from deploying FinChatBot?
Yes. So let's say one use case. We deployed a full automated solution that can sell an insurance policy without human intervention. We optimized with a couple of AI and data science capabilities on the background to understand how we could optimize the customer experience. What happened is we managed to double the conversion rate. A conversion rate that was sitting in average at 20% with humans, we're converting now 39 to 40%. So it's a massive bottom line impact for this insurance company. The second example around retention of customer. So we were able to engage with consumers, with clients that were about to lapse, about to stop paying their policy, and reactivating them automatically with a chat available 24/7. And for that, we managed to secure a 99% non-cancellation rate with the people that were engaging with the solution. So again, you have two big impacts: better customer experience with lower operating costs to do that. So really double impact for the business.
Yeah, that's amazing. Can you give us some names of some insurance companies that are perhaps using it?
Absolutely. So we're working with Santam and Sanlam, that are big African institutions in multiple countries. We're working with MTN, one of the big telco, to do acquisition across South Africa, but looking at expanding globally as well. And now we're getting closer to partners like Accenture and PwC to work globally on their global clients.
Yeah, that's really exciting, Antoine. So one of the other areas, and this has really come to the fore, during COVID, is the entire, challenge around customer acquisition. And clearly, customer acquisition is huge because, physical interactions are now next to impossible. Now there are lots of organizations who have a huge field force, and we call it feet on street, for instance, and they've had to rapidly transform their sales process. So how do you think FinChatBot can actually drive this significant digital transformation in sales? And how do you think the sales team can actually leverage this platform for selling, collecting documents, and performing various other tasks related to the process of customer acquisition?
So it's an excellent question. The first thing I can tell you is humans are not always available. They generally work 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, and not giving full availability to their end customers. That already being able to offer a full end-to-end solution available 24/7 is a massive breakthrough. We receiving sales at 3 in the morning or on Sunday afternoon. We receiving traffic and sales because people are watching cricket and they see, oh, I can insure my car, or I can get a better price on my car insurance. I'm going to do it now while the ads are on screen. The other side, and that's really sitting on the direct space, so directly using the solution to reach to end consumers. But we can definitely work with, let's say, brokers, a network of brokers that are selling, as you were saying, feet on street, the policies, and helping them to either send a quick URL, a WhatsApp to their customer to capture the information, take a picture of their ID, capturing a certain amount of information to be able to streamline this process. So here you could get a great cost reduction, satisfaction of consumers, and capturing the right information to sell well. So two impacts, really direct consumers as well as using intermediaries such as brokers, agents that are feet on the street to get better sales.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a great opportunity lying for you in countries who use extensively feet on street, because many of them had to literally overnight change their business model, and there's a lot of unlearning and relearning that they've had to do. So I'm sure your platform
Absolutely.
would be adding significant value to them. So moving on, Antoine, we've also seen a huge boom in areas like retail lending, mobile money platforms in the past few years. And I think going forward, as mobile money will continue to boom, and even the retail lending is going to come back once the after effects of the pandemic are over. So how do you see these platforms actually leveraging FinChatBot?
Absolutely. So it's giving those platforms more reach and keeping in mind a great customer experience. Because at the end of the day, if you can offer a loan in a couple of seconds, or opening a mobile money account without friction on WhatsApp, that's what consumers want. They want to have access to everything now. So we can leverage all the channels where consumers are engaging on a daily basis: Facebook, web, WhatsApp, WeChat, and so on, and being able to provide a fantastic consumer experience for those brands, so that you reach out in a consistent manner. Whether you engage on specific channels, you get the same level of experience, the same happiness of customers, and that's what we would offer for those platforms.
Yeah, and I recollect reading that you've done some work with MTN on the mobile money front. Yeah, so could you just maybe share some nuggets of information on how exactly they're using it?
Absolutely. So we performing at the moment registration as well as customer service. So we help opening a mobile money account in less than 90 seconds. So in 90 seconds, you can have your mobile money account with a level of KYC. So we integrate into credit bureaus to authenticate the person, avoiding fraud, and making sure the person that we engage with is the real person. So registration in 90 seconds. So I think it's about 35 clicks, and you have opened your account. So it's quite an indicator as well. But we also are helping them in the main customer service requests, like I want to reset my PIN, I want to get access to my documents, I want to be able to add a beneficiary, and all those elements inside one single chat. So really, really powerful as well.
Yeah, no, that's really wonderful. So Antoine, I'm sure there is, given the fact that this is a booming area and there's a huge, global potential in platforms such as for companies such as FinChatBot, I'm sure there's a lot of competition now pecking at your heels as well, or perhaps there would be in time to come. And certainly you would be looking at a number of new capabilities and features that you would potentially be offering on your platform. So could you
Yes.
share, some any exciting things that we can expect in the near or medium term?
Absolutely. So midterm, we will release very soon a multi-language capability to use local dialect and access to the whole capabilities. So sales, servicing, as well as retention of customers. So multi-language is one of the core elements we want to bring so that we can also scale our business globally and use multiple dialects to engage with the solution. The second part is AI applied to sale. So how can we use AI, leverage data science, persona creation in order to engage better with consumers? How can we feel the audience more comfortable to make sure we're getting not 40% conversion rate, but 50% conversion rate? So we're applying a lot of data science and analytics on the background to enable this capability, this technology to do better than any human. That's the goal.
Yeah, so great. I think that sounds really exciting, and I think there are lots of opportunities for FinChatBot. So thank you so much, Antoine, for this very exciting conversation that we've had, and we wish you all success as you look at expanding, beyond South Africa.
Thank you so much. Really
Yeah.
appreciate the time and the question.
Yeah, and thank you so much for our viewers for watching this episode of our series Future of SaaS with me, your host, Thomas Abraham. Thank you, and until next time, goodbye.